The Eat Well plate, a tool to help build healthy snacks.
An animated plate appears spinning on screen and transforms into the Eat Well plate, which is a circle, the left of which represents vegetables and fruits. The top right quarter of the plate represents whole grain foods. The bottom right quarter section of the plate represents protein foods. Text on screen: vegetables and fruits, whole grain foods, protein foods. Text on screen: Eat Well plate. Text on screen: snacks.
It doesn't matter what day of the week it is, healthy snacking is all about healthy planning for your day.
A calendar with the 7 days of 1 week circled and a spinning clock appear. Clock stops spinning at 12 o'clock. The screen changes to show a bowl of strawberries and blackberries and a plate with 2 whole grain crackers on it.
Use the Eat Well plate, mix them, and match them.
The screen changes to show a plate with carrot sticks, celery, sliced red pepper, and hummus dip on it.
Build healthy snacks with the Eat Well plate in mind. Perfect, you're all set. Rule of thumb: make half your plate vegetables and fruit. Include a vegetable or fruit at each meal and snack.
The screen changes to show the Eat Well plate. Text on screen: Eat Well plate, healthy snacks. The left half of the plate has berries, carrots, celery, and red pepper on it. The top right quarter of the plate has whole grain crackers on it, and the bottom right quarter has hummus dip on it. Text on screen: vegetables and fruits, whole grain foods, protein foods. Text on screen: Canada.ca/food guide. A message from the Government of Canada.